In today's digital age, having an efficient website is crucial for any business, including restaurants. A restaurant website serves as an online shop window, allowing potential customers to view menus, book tables, and learn more about the establishment. Let's explore the cost of creating a restaurant website and the various factors that influence it. Before diving into the costs, it's important to understand the numerous advantages a restaurant website can bring. Increased visibility allows potential customers to find your restaurant online. Displaying menus and enabling online orders simplifies the process for both buyers and sellers. Reservation management systems make booking easier for customers and staff. Websites also help advertise special events and promotions, enhancing branding and competitiveness. Creating a restaurant website involves several steps. First, determine your goals and requirements, such as online ordering or reservations. Choose a memorable domain name and purchase it from a domain registrar. Select a website builder or content management system, CMS, like Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress. Design a visually appealing, mobile-friendly layout that aligns with your restaurant's branding. Create engaging SEO-friendly content, including menu descriptions and high-quality images. Integrate necessary features like online ordering and reservation management. Implement basic search engine optimization, SEO techniques, and thoroughly test your website before launching. The cost of building a restaurant website can be influenced by several factors. ***. Domain and hosting costs. Domain registration fees range from $10 to $50 per year. Web hosting services vary based on the provider and type of hosting. Shared hosting plans cost between $2 to $10 per month. VPS hosting plans range from $20 to $100 per month, and dedicated hosting plans can cost from $80 to several $100s per month. ***. Website, design and development costs. Template-based designs are affordable, costing between $50 and $200. Custom designs created by professional web designers range from $1,000 to $10,000 or more. The number of pages, functionality requirements, and the choice of CMS also affect development costs. E-commerce functionality, such as online ordering and payment systems, can add significant costs. Custom solutions range from $5,000 to $25,000, while third-party solutions have monthly fees of $50 to $200. Payment processing fees typically range from 2% to 3% per transaction, with additional monthly fees. ***. Content creation costs. High-quality content is crucial for engaging potential customers. Menu descriptions cost between $50 and $250 per page. An About Us section ranges from $200 to $500. Blog posts cost $50 to $200 each, and professional food photography ranges from $200 to $1,000 or more. Testimonials written by copywriters cost around $50 to $150 each. ***. Maintenance and ongoing costs. Regular website maintenance, including security updates, hosting fees, and software upgrades, is essential for smooth operation. These costs average around $100 to $500 per month. Building a restaurant website involves various costs, from domain registration and hosting to design, development, and content creation. By carefully assessing your restaurant's specific needs and allocating a suitable budget, you can create a website that accurately represents your brand and enhances the customer experience. Investing in a professional website can ultimately increase your restaurant's online visibility and revenue.